subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mobile Tech here, back again. So today I'm going to show you the web browser that has Lite features, or I'm going to say that the data saver. So that I will show you here how to create the web browser as a Lite. So you can see that many web browsers have been producing or creating the apps as a Lite. So I'm also going to show that which saves the data. So many users wants Lite web browser so that they can save the data. So I will show you the example. This is the app, link will be in description, you can see there. So here you can see it loads fast, and it is, you can see that this is totally in Lite mode. So okay, so you can see here Facebook, you can also log in. This is Lite mode, and I'm going to show you Twitter also. So here you can see this is also on Lite mode. So you can see this whole layout, or you can see this layout or browsing speed. This is faster than the Google Chrome's or another. So in this web browser you get a full, or it so in this browser when you browse you can see that it requires more data, and it uses more data, and you can see that with more animations and more this one. So many users want that, they want Lite user, or they want Lite web browser. So I will show you how to create this Lite web browser. So okay, let's go to start it. So AI file will be in the link in description, you can download from there. So I will explain what I have done this. So you can see here I have took one web viewer and one vertical arrangement and one level and one web view tools also. You can download from the link in the description, this extension link, and extended web viewer also, and dialogues extension also. But I have not used here web view tools, I have used extended web viewer. You can use web view tools also for setting user agent. So let's all are the same. So let's go to the block section. So here you can see when screen 1 initialized, you have to set the extended web viewer, which web viewer you want to set on the extended web viewer. You can see this extension, you have to set the web viewer before it works. So you can see this web viewer, you can download from link in the description. You go down and you can see here web viewer 2. So here you can see set web viewer 2. So drag and drop that and set web viewer that you have put. So you can see this my web viewer is this, and you can see this, put this extension web viewer. Okay, so okay, let's and in second step it is easy that in screen 1 and I have set the extended viewer URL agent. So you have to set the URL agent. You can see that in Android version 4 there are different web browsing style, or there is Lite version, so that is data saving, and from the Android 5 there is not data saving feature, that they looks like this Google Chrome's. So another feature also. So this you can see that while you can see that you have known that the Opera mobile web browser, so that Opera mobile web browser is also a Lite web browser that gives the Lite feature. So I have used the same URL agent, so you have to use that URL agent. This URL agent also will be linked in the description, you can use from there. So you have to paste here URL agent. so that when you are browsing, they will know that you are using Opera mobile browser. So the browsing feature will be in Lite version. So set URL agent, and after that call web viewer, go to your home URL, that is we have put home URL google.com. So after that I have used some here extended web viewer, that when loading started when loading started, it calls the dialog show spin progress loading, please wait, it will be dismissible or not. You can see the false I have put on first, and when loading finished, dismiss progress dialog. So here I have used another, when screen back press, if web viewer can go back, then go back, else close application. So this much is I have used here. So the main trick or main you have to understand is you have to set URL agent to the Opera mobile URL agent, so you can browse in the Lite feature. So AI file in link in the description, you can download from there. So all the extensions link will be in download in the link in the description. So here you can see again, see that this Google is also in Lite version, or Google browser, Facebook also. You can set more feature, like you can create Facebook Lite also by using the URL agent. This by using the this using this URL agent, and you can also create Twitter Lite and like that with sites that supports Lite version. So this is the tutorial for today, guys. If you like my video, smash like button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel. So this was for today. For more Thunkable tutorials, Thunkable, AppyBuilder, and Makeroid, Droid Maker tutorials, subscribe my channel. So thanks, guys. This was